Alright, good morning everybody. So, everybody's favorite pair lately, little US30. So, we did have this higher high point. First thing that we have to do is adjust these fibs to get as accurate as possible. So, this is where we're at right now. We did not break structure on this time frame. We're definitely having more sellers than buyers in this market based off this daily time frame candle. And we did break right here. Seeing though that I don't even want to it is pretty damn close to 38.6%. You know, let's not wrap our heads too much around it. Let's go ahead, look to the left of it. We see that we are at an area of support, and we are testing it this entire time. Just test. So if we go on to these lower time frames now. So we're not having much exhaustion, really, down in here. To be honest, although if this candle closes the way that it's forming right now, this is a higher low point, possibly showing the fact that it's starting to retrace. Right, so if this closes the way that it's looking like right now, that's a higher low point, possibly continuing this uptrend. Now we do have a break of this minor level right in here. I don't say it's minor simply because it's not really, there's nothing really about it, although we are starting to have these exhaustions right in here. So what I would really like, not necessarily of this area, can we get yes, something like this. If we can make this higher low point and then also at the same time break this trend line, or keep on continuing to have the higher low points, then we know this level of support is getting respected, and then we can continue a push up. But we have to keep in mind of how this daily candle also formed too. Right? Even on this weekly time frame. Like, we had a lot of consolidation last week, and even still, look at how it's forming. So even if we do have a push up, I would not be expecting a higher high point at this time, just simply because of how the weekly candle is forming. That we do have a majority of bullish volume still, but simply based off of how this weekly time frame is forming as of right now, along with the daily time frame. So we need a bit more to anticipate a nice push up, but right now we are starting to have clues that should not be looking for sells just yet. Now, this data can also change and continue downward too, because let's just go ahead and mark this off as well because of these lower time frames. Right, so we can just be consolidating, which we actually do see on the based off this daily time frame candle right now, and then we can just continue to push down, because H1 technically did break right in here, and this is all 23.6%, but just seeing where we're at is at this level of support right in here. So I'm still a bit more bullish than bearish at this time on it. I'm just being aware of these higher time frames and how they're forming too, because You have this monthly candle, like we were stating, this weekly candle, this daily candle, right? So the overall trend is still very bullish. Just from what it's looking like right now, it could start just counter trending. So yeah, that's kind of excuse me. That's kind of about it. So if you like this and it helped you out, please hit the like button and share this video. I would highly appreciate that. And if you're not already, please do subscribe to stay up to date on the analysis videos. Thank you and have a wonderful Friday.